Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to add alt text to image. So let's get in. I already create a page for this. Add a one column row. Now add a image module. Select the image from the library. I select this one. Okay, I'll click on upload. Go to advanced. Click on attributes. Here you can add the text. I am adding good meal. Okay, then click on OK, save it, and exit the visual builder. Now hover on the image, you can see the good meal will appear. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for the next videos.